Hello guys, it is Abisola Cooks again. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for the likes and comments on my previous videos and also your support by subscribing to my channel, Abisola Cooks. Today I am preparing peppered meats. Let me start by showing you the ingredients I will be using. Scotch bonnet, garlic, ginger and bell pepper, and also my onions. I have different colors: salt, thyme, seasoning, ground pepper, beef, and vegetable oil for frying. I will start by boiling the meats. I will add salt, seasoning, thyme, some blended pepper, and onions. Mix very well and add some water. Cover and allow it to cook for about 20 minutes. I will cut the cooked meat into tiny pieces and set aside for frying. With the oil on fire, I will add the cooked meat that has been cut into pieces, then fry for about 10 to 15 minutes. I will set aside. Heat some oil and add some sliced onions. When it is partly cooked, I will add some blended pepper and stir. You will observe that the blended pepper is not smooth. This is to ensure that it is suitable for the peppered meats. I will add seasoning, salt and meat stock, then stir very well. I will add the chopped bell pepper and fresh onions. Stir for some minutes, then add the fried meats. Stir very well and allow to cook for about 5 minutes. Then the peppered meat is ready. You can serve with any drink of your choice and also enjoy as a dessert. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Bye.